New to the market is this fantastic 7 double bedroom period property. Ladies and gentlemen, welcome home. Bifolding doors out to the garden, a ton of integrated appliances, and come and see this. The cellar. The first floor features 3 double bedrooms and the family bathroom. Let's check this one out. And here we have the top floor, which has 4 double bedrooms and a shower room. If you're interested in this property or would like to book a valuation of your own, please get in touch.